second suspect charged in murder of South African police officer. The community of Gqeberha in Eastern Cape has been closely following the tragic case of the murder of Police Constable Lwando Msezeni, which took a significant turn as a second individual was brought to court. 26-year-old Sinokolo Ndanga stood before the new Brighton Magistrates Court on November 6, 2024, to answer for his alleged involvement in the brutal killing of the young officer on September 21st of the same year. Constable Msezeni, also 26, met a violent end when he and his partner were ambushed after leaving a local tavern late at night. Two assailants wearing balaclavas followed them onto Somfula Street in the KwaZulu area of Gqeberha, formerly known as Port Elizabeth. The confrontation resulted in Msezeni being fatally stabbed in the neck, with the suspects making off on foot with his cell phone and leaving Msezeni's partner unharmed. Msezeni was declared dead at the scene. The harrowing crime called for an urgent response, and the Hawks Gqeberha-based Serious Organized Crime Investigation Team took on the case. Their perseverance paid off when they arrested Ndanga at Fort Beaufort, while he was already in detention for a separate offense on November 5, 2024. Ndanga's co-accused, 28-year-old Akhona Zamxaka, had been detained by the Hawks earlier on October 15th and first appeared in court 2 days later. Since then, Zamxaka has been in custody, awaiting further developments in the investigation. During Ndanga's court appearance, the magistrate decided to postpone the case to November 13, 2024, allowing time for his bail application and to synchronize proceedings with Zamxaka's. Until then, Ndanga remains in custody alongside his alleged accomplice. In light of the recent arrest, Major General Mboiki Obed-Ngwenya, the provincial head of the Hawks, expressed his satisfaction and praised the investigation team for their diligence. This case has not only shaken the local police force, but also the broader community that relies on them for safety and protection. The forthcoming bail hearing is eagerly awaited as residents seek closure and justice for the slain Constable Msezeni. Gqeberha continues to grapple with the loss, and the eyes of the nation are on the judicial system to ensure that those responsible face the full force of the law. Thank you for choosing Satori News.